Welcome back, children, and we are discussing the question answers of chapter 5, Natural Vegetation and Wildlife, second part. So we continue with our long answers. Okay, that is question number 4, answer in short, the third one. What environmental issues are faced by Brazil and India? I have discussed it in the videos. Brazil and India are both facing degradation of environment. This is mainly due to poaching, illegal smuggling of trees and wild animals, slash and burn agriculture, deforestation, forest fires, especially in Brazil, cutting trees for firewood like in India, for industries, for agriculture, pollution of air, water, soil, both in India as well as in Brazil, and extinction of endemic species of plants and animals. The fourth one, what are the major causes of degradation of forest in Brazil and India? It is more or less the same. Shifting cultivation, also called as roca in Brazil, or slash and burn cultivation. In this method, forest is cleared by burning for agriculture, raw material for industries like for paper pulp industry, for timber industry. Industrialization also sees a lot of forest being degraded. Then for settlements for the growing population like in India, firewood for burning and to meet the domestic needs of fuel. Fifth one, what does the deciduous type of vegetation, the deciduous type of vegetation occupy most parts of India? The reason is because deciduous trees grow best in areas of 1000 to 2000 millimeters of rainfall. Due to hot and dry summers, they shed leaves in early summer. Shedding leaves help them to conserve water, as most parts of India receive rain only during monsoons. The remaining months are dry and hot, and hence the deciduous type of vegetation are found in most parts of India. The fifth question is give reason. The northern part of Brazil is covered by dense forests. The northern part of Brazil lie in the equatorial region. This region receives perpendicular rays of the sun. It also receives heavy convectional type of rainfall. Due to abundant sunshine and heavy rainfall, a variety of trees can be grown here. Trees grow dense and tall to compete for sunlight. Creepers also grow along with the trees and form a canopy on the top. And hence the northern part of Brazil is covered by dense evergreen forests. Second, vegetation is scarce in the high altitudes of Himalayas. Now, high altitudes of Himalayas are mostly snow covered for almost 10 months. These are also called as cold desert regions, and temperatures here go very low to minus degrees as well. Precipitation is hardly any, and if any, it's in the form of snowfall. As such, no trees can grow here. Summers are very short. Snow melts at that time. Tiny flowering plants grow. They cannot grow tall because their life cycle is very, very short. And hence, vegetation is scarce in the high altitudes of Himalayas. A wide variety of species of insects is found in Brazil. Insects normally feed on leaves and grass and thrive on swampy areas. In the Amazon forest and in the Pantanal wetlands, sunlight hardly reaches the ground. So the region is marshy. Pantanal wetlands are marshy. These swampy areas are good breeding spaces for a variety of insects, and therefore thousands of species of insects are found in Brazil. Wildlife in India is decreasing day by day. Wildlife depends on natural vegetation and forests. Deforestation is rampant in India. Pollution is another major reason. Forests are natural habitats for wildlife, but as the forests are cut, wildlife is destroyed. Poaching, hunting, illegal smuggling of wild animals, and also of economically important trees is one of the major causes. Shifting agriculture, industrialization, growing population are all responsible for decrease in wildlife in India. Like in India, there is a need of conservation of forest in Brazil too. Wildlife has to be conserved everywhere, not just in India, not just in Brazil, anywhere and everywhere in the world. Like in India, forests too are shrinking in Brazil due to slash and burn, farming, illegal cutting of trees and smuggling. The biggest threat to forest in Brazil are the forest fires, which sometimes are natural but many times is man-made. Forest fires have destroyed almost 30 to 40% of forest in the recent times. That's in your textbook. Okay, I think on page number 35 is mentioned as did you know. According to the data of 2016, 5,831 square kilometer areas of forests have been degraded. Not forgetting the forest fires of 2019, where the forest in Brazil burnt for more than 15 days. Okay, unnoticed. That was a huge area was destroyed and many wildlife were killed. Forests are the lungs of the world and are home to a variety of wild animals. If the forests are not conserved, the carbon dioxide levels will rise. This will endanger the entire ecosystem of the world. And hence, like India, it is a need to conserve forests in Brazil too. So with this, we end chapter 5. Very soon I'll come back with chapter 6. Take care. God bless you. And